My faith doesn't allow this. Don't me to believe in LGBT people. But I now understand that you are ordinary, everyday people, and we should respect one another.
One student actually came up to me with like a note and said, thank you. It was interesting because she was someone that didn't seem like she was a bit rebellious, I think. But she'd written this note, and it was encouraging of me as a person. It was really beautiful, like, thank you for what you're doing, and you're really inspiring to me. So it's like those little moments where you see someone going into acceptance or going into you're an actually okay person. I see you as a human being. I think that's it. I see you as a human being, and I appreciate you and your experiences. That's a really special moment.
I had a student come up to me and said, "Oh, Miss, I'm a lesbian," and in a way that was like almost as if she's not said it before, but she probably had, So it, just the fact that they can say that to a complete stranger really is something, I think.
Yeah, the most memorable thing that somebody said to me, it came up after the session and said, "I'm bi. I feel I'm not quite accepted in the gay community because I'm bi, and I don't feel accepted in the straight community because I'm bi. What should I do about it?" And that really moved me to think that someone could feel isolated even within the gay community, which I can relate to, sometimes does happen.
I was in a session with a transgender woman, and one of the pupils, I could see he was staring at her. And before she told her story, so before she'd actually explained her own journey, he tentatively put up his hand and he just said, can I ask a question? Are you trans? And she said yes. And it was the look of kind of delight in his face that made me really, really smile. It wasn't horror or disgust or all the things or anything negative. There was a sense in which he'd asked a question of an adult who'd given him an honest answer. And it was a sense of almost delight that he'd met somebody who was different from him, and almost like, he could be proud of it.